Imagine a car that's not just a vehicle, but a statement. The 2026 BYD Atto is aiming to be exactly that. But is it all hype? Or is there real substance under that sleek, futuristic exterior? Let's dive in and find out. Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the highly anticipated 2026 BYD Atto 1. Now, the rumors have been flying about this electric SUV for months, and I finally got my hands on one. First impressions. This thing looks sharp. The design is definitely eye-catching, with a modern, almost minimalist aesthetic. But it's not just about looks, is it? We need to talk about performance, range, and all the tech packed inside. The 2026 Atto 1 boasts a completely redesigned battery pack, promising a significant boost in range compared to previous models. BYD is claiming close to 350 miles on a single charge, which if true, would put it right up there with some of the top players in the EV market. We're also seeing advanced driver assistance systems ADAS integrated throughout the vehicle, making for a safer and more convenient driving experience. Think lane, keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and even automated parking. The interior is also a huge step up, with premium materials and a futuristic dashboard. Let's get into the nitty-gritty details, shall we? The powertrain on the 2026 Atto 1 is reportedly a dual-motor setup, offering all-wheel drive and some serious acceleration, talking 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds, which is pretty impressive for an SUV of this size. But the real game-changer here might be the price point. BYD is known for offering competitive pricing, and the 2026 Atto 1 is expected to undercut many of its rivals in the electric SUV segment. If they can deliver on performance, range, and price, this could be a major disruptor in the market. Of course, there are some potential drawbacks. Build quality is always a concern with newer manufacturers, and we'll need to see how the Atto 1 holds up over time. Also, the charging infrastructure still needs improvement in many areas, which could be a limiting factor for some buyers. We are eager to test it out and see what the real-world mileage of this car actually is, something we'll need to test it ourselves to show to our viewers now. Before you rush out and put down a deposit, let's consider the competition. The